Sonali, walk us through this story. How big are the numbers?
Yeah, it's very interesting. This is from several tens of $millions. Remember, Sridhar had already reported, Sridhar Natarajan of Bloomberg, that some of the top performers at Goldman could be getting north of $30 million. And now we are seeing that an elite group, a couple hundred or so, 400 or so, are going to be getting a one-time special award on top of a normal bonus pool. Listen, something that's very interesting to consider here that I've been thinking about is if you're a smaller firm. For example, we reported yesterday that Perella Weinberg's compensation pool is rising 50% at least. Bonuses as a portion of that are more than the 50% rise because the fixed pay stays the same or, rises marginally. So if a smaller firm with a couple hundred people raises their pay 60%, 70%, hedge funds, private equity also are doing that, then to retain the best talent in such a banner year on Wall Street, it makes all the sense in the world for a firm like Goldman Sachs, which again is posting numbers like we haven't seen in many, many years, and a fifth year in a row as a leader here on deal making. It makes all the sense in the world for them to try to keep their talent at this point in time.
Well, let's bring in Alison here. Alison, talk to us about how this feeds into the Goldman bottom line.
So I think that the fees that we talked about that we have seen super strong at J.P. Morgan, Goldman Sachs is a leader in M&A revenue. They're always the top in the league rankings, but their revenue is much better because of their sort of leading roles across that business. And trading is not such a great indicator. Maybe there's a soft miss there, but we think that they continue to outperform. Bloomberg News had the story out about commodities, which is a huge area of strength for them versus other companies. And I do think it'll be interesting to me to see, these one-time payouts, as Sonali said, they'll help to retain talent, but it's even stronger if they're in the form of stock for these bankers, because then it makes the bankers hard to leave, because then they have to sort of give up that bonus. So I think that is a way that they can kind of keep talent, as we are seeing these record fees and the momentum, as I said, kind of going into this year.